The earliest airplanes had just one engine, which could barely support a single pilot's weight and couldn't carry any bombs. The Ilya Muromets bomber, created in 1912, fixed this issue. To reach a takeoff weight of 5 tons, designer Sikorsky added 2 engines to each wing. However, engine failure rates were high. If both engines on one side failed at the same time, the remaining engine would cause uncontrollable spinning, leading to a crash. To counter this, he placed engines close to the fuselage and installed a large rudder on the vertical tail. He also added 2 auxiliary rudders on the horizontal tail and connected them to the cockpit. This allowed the pilot to adjust the plane's direction using foot pedals. If both engines on one side failed, the pilot could balance the thrust with control and steer the plane back on course. In 1915, the pilot dropped 45 bombs from the Ilya Muromets on a German train station. This marked the start of the bomber era. After World War I, Europe began using planes for mail transport. Back then, wings were made of 2 panels with struts and cables. The large surface area increased drag. To carry more cargo, the only option was to make larger wings, which needed more struts and cables. This also increased drag, and drag hindered carrying heavier loads. The Junkers G-38, introduced in 1929, solved this problem. Its maximum takeoff weight reached 21 tons and could carry over 6 tons of cargo. During its construction, engineers integrated the upper and lower wings and housed all support structures inside, covered with sturdy corrugated aluminum. Although the wing thickness was over 2 meters, its streamlined design provided strong protection and helped absorb torsional forces on the wings, resulting in significant lift. The spacious wing interior could fit several passenger seats. However, to be a trusted mode of transport, engineers still needed to ensure safe takeoffs and landings. The early